Are you ready to learn some great new things? Because it's time to leap into science. Hello everyone, we have a great question today. What is a solar system? A solar system, well, it's big, really big. A whale is big, but the solar system is really, really big, super big. A star, planets, moons, and asteroids. All of these things put together make a solar system. Let's start in the middle. Sounds like a good place to start? Right in the middle. At the centre of a solar system is a star. We call ours the sun. Our sun is a star. All the stars in the night sky are suns. Planets orbit the sun. Now, that's quite important. Planets orbit the sun. Let's look at that a little bit closer. A planet is a huge ball of rock or gas, or sometimes both. Orbit means that it goes round, following a path that is almost a circle. Now, it's not a perfect circle. Sometimes the planet will be a little bit closer to the star. Sometimes it will be a little bit further away. But it's almost a circle. That is orbit. Planets orbit the star. 8 planets orbit our sun. We're number 3. But what are the others? Mercury. That's closest to the sun. Next comes Venus. We are number 3. Earth. Number 4, Mars. The next one is Jupiter. Then comes Saturn, Uranus, and number 8, the last one, is Neptune. Let's look at the first 4. The first 4 are quite small and quite close together. Now you may think that our Earth is really, really big. Well, if we look at all the planets that we know, it's not really very big at all. The first 4, they are also rocky. They're just big lumps of rock. Then there is a really big gap before you get to the 4 outer planets. So planet number 4 is Mars, the red planet. But then planet number 5 is Jupiter. Very long way away. Here's the outer 4 planets. These are often called the gas giants because they are really big and mostly made of gas. We would never send a rocket there because there's no place to land. A few years ago, we sent a very small rocket to Jupiter, but when we sent it down close to the centre, it just burnt up, disappeared, and we never saw it again. Most planets have moons. Not all of them, but most of them. Moons are rocks that orbit a planet. So, a planet orbits the star, and moons orbit a planet. We only have one, and we call it the Moon. Saturn has 146. Wow! One of them is called Titan, and is bigger than the planet Mercury. So it doesn't matter how big or small the moon is. The important thing is the moon is going around the planet. It's not going around the star. Most are much smaller and not even round. Lots of strange shapes, but they still orbit the planet. Finally, we have asteroids. An asteroid is just a small rock that flies through space. There are many of them. Most orbit the sun, but they can crash together and fly off in different directions. Now, this is why they are not moons, because the asteroid orbits the sun. A moon orbits a planet. Most asteroids near us are in the asteroid belt. We've seen this before. Here we've got Mars and Jupiter. It is a really long way from Mars to Jupiter. Between those two planets is the asteroid belt. So it's not just an empty space. We have the asteroid belt. It is a sort of donut shape and contains billions of asteroids. No one knows how many there are. Impossible to count. If we look closely at our moon, we can see many circles. These have been made by asteroids crashing into the moon. Now, there's no air really around the moon, which means there's no wind. So when an asteroid hits the moon, the shape that it makes stays there for a very long time. A star, planets, moons, and asteroids all together form a solar system. Now, how many of these can we see? Well, maybe that's the next question. I'm going to go and have a look. I think I can see one planet, one star, and one moon. Can I see any more? I'm going to find out. See you soon. Bye. Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget, subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.